What up, man? So what is up, man? What up, man? What up, man? What up? What up, man? 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 What up, mga man? Ah, sa totoo lang, di ko talaga alam kung paano ko to sasabihin sa inyo. O kung kahit paano magsimula magsalita ngayon. Pero pakiramdam ko kasi meron akong utang na explanation sa mga tao na nakasubaybay sa akin ngayon. At yun ko, kailangan malaman nyo rin talaga to.
Pwede ba na ibalik muna sa simula? Di ba kasi ako handa?
Eman was more than just a content creator. He was a filmmaker, a musician, a comedian, and for many, a voice of youth culture in the Philippines. From funny skits to heartfelt music videos, Eman had a way of connecting with people. Raw, real, and apologetically himself.
Pasensya kung ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng chance na magpasalamat sa inyo. At ito na nga, kasabay nitong balita na sasabihin ko sa inyo. Ngayon taon, dumating na rin yung pinakamatinding laban na kakaharapin ko. Siguro hindi lahat sa inyo alam to, pero kasabay ng paghataw ko dito sa internet, yung madalas na pagka-admit ko sa ospital. Dahil sa iba-ibang bagay naman. Pero nung itong huli, yung nakita nyo sa Twitter na naipost ko ng walang caption, dahil yun sa lagnat na sobrang tumagal sa akin. Siyempre nung una akala namin COVID siya. Pero hindi, iba yung pinanggagalingan ng lagnat. So yun, hinahanap nila at yun, na-track nga nila na nasa bone marrow siya. So nung kinuha ng samples yung bone marrow ko, ayun, lumabas kahapon sa results na meron akong acute myeloid leukemia. Meron akong cancer.
On May 17, 2020, Eman revealed that he had been diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia. It was a shock to many of us. He was young, full of life, and suddenly facing a life-threatening condition. And yet, he shared his journey with such bravery. Chemotherapy began almost immediately. Acute myeloid leukemia is fast-moving, and in Eman's case, it required aggressive treatment. But he didn't back down. Even in the hospital, he kept posting, kept singing, and kept smiling. Acute myeloid leukemia is a cancer of the blood and bone marrow. It starts when the body produces too many immature white blood cells, called myeloblasts. These cells grow uncontrollably, crowding out healthy red blood cells, platelets, and other white blood cells. Instead of making healthy blood cells, the body starts producing a lot of abnormal ones. These bad cells grow quickly and crowd out the normal ones. That can lead to problems like infections, tiredness, or easy bruising. Acute myeloid leukemia usually shows up suddenly and can get worse fast if not treated. Doctors often use tests and treatments like chemo to manage it. When someone has AML, their body struggles to make enough healthy blood cells. This causes a range of problems. Without enough red blood cells, they might feel weak or short of breath. If platelets are low, they could bruise easily or bleed more than usual. When someone has AML, their body struggles to make enough healthy blood cells. This causes a range of problems. Without enough red blood cells, they might feel weak or short of breath. If platelets are low, they could bruise easily or bleed more than usual, even from the small cuts. And without enough healthy white blood cells, it's harder for the body to fight infections. AML can affect people of any age, but it's more common in older adults. The exact cause isn't always known, but some risk factors include the exposure to radiation, certain chemicals, smoking, or a history of other blood disorders. Sometimes, it can be also linked to past chemotherapy or genetic conditions. In short, AML is a fast-moving blood cancer that starts in the bone marrow. It leads to the buildup of abnormal white blood cells that crowd out healthy blood ones. In short, AML is a fast-moving blood cancer that starts in the bone marrow. It leads to the buildup of abnormal white blood cells that crowd out the healthy ones. This weakens the body's ability to carry oxygen, fight infection, and stop bleeding. While it's a serious illness, early diagnosis and treatment can improve the chances of recovery. Eman didn't let the disease define him. He created music during his fight. Uuwian is one that still echoes in many of our hearts. He shared his truth without self-pity. He reminded us to stay strong, even when things are hard. Even in pain, he chose art. Even in fear, he chose love. His passing on August 16, 2020 was heartbreaking. He was only 21 years old, but what he left behind is something no disease can ever take. Acute myeloid leukemia, or AML, is a type of cancer that starts in the bone marrow. Since these cells are part of the body's immune system, they can be linked to the lymphatic system, which also plays a big role in protecting the body. The lymphatic system is another important part of the body's immune system. It's made up of lymph nodes, the spleen, and other tissues that help clean out waste and move infection-fighting cells around. Even though AML starts in the bone marrow, the cancerous cells can enter the bloodstream and eventually spread to the lymphatic system. When this happens, it can cause swelling in the lymph nodes or spleen and may weaken the immune system even more. Some people with AML might also experience symptoms like fatigue, infections, fever, or swollen lymph nodes, showing how the disease touches different parts of the body. In conclusion, AML and the lymphatic system are closely connected because they both involve white blood cells, which are central to the body's ability to fight illnesses. AML affects how these cells grow and function, and as the abnormal cells move through the body, they can also reach and impact the lymphatic system. This connection helps explain why AML can lead to problems not just in the blood, but also in the immune-related organs and tissues. Understanding this link can help make sense of the symptoms and how the disease progresses. Eman Nimedes was more than just a creator. He was a light in the darkest moments, a fighter in the face of pain, and a symbol of unshakable hope. Even as acute myeloid leukemia tried to silence his voice, his spirit only grew louder. Through every vlog, every song, every smile from a hospital bed, he reminded us that strength isn't about how long you fight, but how deeply you inspire while doing it. He may have left this world too soon, but his courage, his art, and his heart continue to echo to millions of lives. He did not die with cancer. The cancer died with him too, so it was a draw. And he will always live forever in our hearts as our inspiration. Eman didn't just face leukemia. He taught us how to live fully, love bravely, and never lose faith in the light, even when surrounded in a deep darkness.
Babagaling muna natin ang ikot ng mundo. Pa